San Antonio Speedway was a half-mile, high-banked oval racetrack that opened in 1977 and, for a while, claimed to be the only one of its kind in Texas. Several classes and series raced there throughout the years, including street stocks, modifieds, late models, the USRA Truck Series, the Lone Star Legacy Series, school buses, bangers, and more. The track even featured a drag strip, once known as Alamo Dragway, located towards the backside of the main grandstands. The track formally ceased operations in 2007, but things started looking better as races resumed in 2012, though at minimal frequency. Races were expected to continue into 2014, but towards the end of 2013, it was announced that, due to the high costs, amount of labor, and the lack of consistent attendance, racing would come to another early end. Today, nature is taking over as the property has been inactive for several years. Development in the surrounding area is increasing, as housing and industrial businesses have been built in recent years. And though not impossible, racing may never return to San Antonio Speedway again.